Yes, sir. The next new chapter is chapter 13 as per the textbook. It is angles and trigonometric ratios. Angles and trigonometric ratios. See, one has to know what is angle, okay, how the angles are of. Before that, one has to know what is trigonometry, because this is the new topic for you. Suppose you might have learned at class 10, okay, a little bit you might have learned the continuity of the trigonometry will have in PUC 1 as well as in PUC 2 also. It's a trigonometry. So many know that trigonometry is a Greek word. Of course, trigonometry is nothing but what? It is a branch of mathematics like algebra, arithmetic, okay, calculus, that is what differentiation as well as integration, that you will get at second year, calculus, then commercial mathematics. Similarly, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. It deals with the study of triangle. It deals with the study of triangle. In particular, right angle triangle. In particular, right angle triangle. So the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek, where derived from the word trigon and metron. So tri means what? 3. Tri means what? 3. Gon means what? Side. And metri means what? Measurement. So tri means 3, gon means side, metron means measurement. Thus, the measurement of 3-side closed figure, basic figure, basic geometrical shape, that is triangle, in particular right angle triangle is called as trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of 3-side closed basic geometrical shape. 3-side closed basic geometrical shape. In particular, that is geometrical shape is what? Triangle. 3-sided basic geometrical shape is what? Triangle. In particular, right angle triangle. Trigonometry means we study about right angle triangle only. No other triangles. Right? Yes. So, trigonometry is nothing but what? It is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of 3-sided closed geometrical shape, that is right angle triangle. So here, okay, right angle triangle. So when I speak about the right angle triangle, okay, before that I told triangle, before that I told basic shape. That means in geometry, how many basic shapes are there? Can anybody please? Don't put the text, tell orally, tell verbally. Yes. How many geometrical shapes are there? How many geometrical shapes are there in geometry? I said don't put the text, I can't see it. Yes. How many geometrical shapes are there? There are 4 fundamental or basic shapes of geometry. There are 4 fundamental or basic shapes. Okay, one is circle, the other one is triangle, the other one is square, The other one is rectangle. Another one is rectangle. So these are the four Okay. There are four basic shapes of geometry: circle, triangle, square, rectangle. So ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಡೀ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಫೇಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ದ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ rotates in circular shape. Ice cream cone, at the bottom it is in triangle shape, at the top it is in circular shape. So any geometrical shape, any shape you observe in this universe, definitely there will be any one of this or the combination of this. Either it may be circle, it may be the form of triangle, it may be the form of square, it may be the form of rectangle, or the combination of this. ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೂರು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ definitely involved. Like that in mathematics, especially in arithmetic, okay, or in simple mathematics, we have four fundamental operations. Similarly, like this, we have four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as division. ಇವು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ? ಸಿ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 140 to 220. Okay, 140 to 220. What is the time? That is 40 minutes. How you got the 40 minutes? 220 minus 140. That means you have done subtraction. So that means, like the four fundamental shapes, there are four fundamental operations in mathematics. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as divisions. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಬೇರೆ 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 ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ they are called as four fundamental shapes. Okay, so four fundamental operations, mathematical operations, and these are the four fundamental shapes. Now when we speak about the triangle, we know that triangle is one of the fundamental shapes. Of course, I am coming out of the text, out of the syllabus, because as a student one has to know what is the definition of circle. Already you learned in the high school. You should know what is triangle, what is a square, what is rectangle. Since we are dealing with the trigonometry is related to the triangle, in particular right angle triangle, or it is related to the triangle, one has to know what is the definition of triangle. Can anybody tell what is the definition of triangle? Can anybody give the definition of a triangle? Yes? Yes. We want to know what is a triangle. Can anybody tell what is collinear and non-collinear points? See, non-collinear points ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅಥವಾ collinear points ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So collinear ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ if three or more than 3 points lie on a same line. Collinear points ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 or more than 3 points Minimum 3 points should be there. Minimum 3 points should be there. So 3 or more than 3 points, if they lie on the same line, then those points are called as collinear points. Remember this. This we need when we are dealing with straight lines. ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is collinear points ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 3 or more than 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 or more than 3. Minimum 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 or more than 3. If 3 or more than 3 points lies on the same line, then they are called as collinear points. I repeat again definition. 3 or more than 3. Minimum 3. 3 or more than 3 points lie on the same line, then they are called as collinear points. Now come back to this one. Okay, in this line AB, how many points are there? How many points are there in the line AB? Yes? Yes? 2 lines. That means 2 lines are on AB. So therefore, point A and point B, they are non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ collinear points ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Minimum 3 points ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Minimum 3 points. But minimum 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 ಇದೆ. So point A and point B on this line, they are non-collinear points. Then E line ಮೇಲೆ on this line, point B and point C. Point B and point C. So there are 2 points on this line. This line mele erade points idave. So this line is also called as non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. When I take this one. So A and C are the 2 points on this line. Even A and C are also non-collinear points. So in total, in this shape, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 points are there, and all the 3 points are non-collinear. They are not on the same straight line. E line ಮೇಲೆ AB ಎರಡೇ ಇದೆ. It is not collinear. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ BC ಇದೆ, not collinear. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ AC ಇದೆ, non collinear. Collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಇದೆ. So all the points are non collinear. All the points are non collinear. That means triangle is a closed figure. Made up of 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points. Innu definition ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Okay, triangle is a closed figure. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗ closed figure ಅಂತ ನಾವು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ sum of all these 3 angles will be 180 degree. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್, okay, which is made up of 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points having 3 angles and 3 sides. ನೋಡಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದು 3 ನಾನ್-ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನ್-ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 3 ಅಥವಾ 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. 3 ಅಥವಾ 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡೇ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೇ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Minimum 3 points should be there, but 3 are not there, 2 is there, hence it cannot be collinear, therefore it is non-collinear. It is non-collinear. Nenpitkobeku. So triangle is a closed figure which is made up of 3 non-collinear points. 3 non-collinear points having 3 angles. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 angles should be exactly 180 degree. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. 0.01 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರ್ 179 ಬಂದರೆ ಸರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೋ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ. 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್. ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, so triangle is a closed figure which is made up of 3 non-collinear points. Okay, having 3 angles and having 3 sides. 3 sides. Notary side AB one side, BC another side, CA another side. So ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 3 ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಡೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈಯಾಂಗಲ್. Triangle means what? It should have 3 angles. Tri refers for 3. So this is first angle, second angle, third angle. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 non-collinear points having 3 angles. Okay, so ನಾವು 3 angles ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿ ಎ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? ಈ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 sides. 3 sides. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ GONO, ಗಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, ಗಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 sides. Hence triangle is also called as trigon. Sides ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ trigon, angles ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ triangle. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೈಗಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಟ್ರೈಗಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 3 ಸೈಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಅದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಗಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Okay, what is the other name of triangle? Triangle means what? It is a closed figure. Okay, it is a closed figure made up of 3 non-collinear points. Okay, with 3 angles. Okay, based on the side, since it is having 3 sides, triangle is also called as trigon. Yes. Triangles are broadly classified into 2 categories. One based on side, the other one is based on angle. So based on side we have 3 triangles. Based on angles we have 3 triangles. So based on side, the first triangle is equilateral triangle, followed by isosceles triangle, followed by scalene triangle. So these triangles will speak about the sides of the triangle. Suppose if all the 3 sides are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. Suppose if any 2 sides are equal, then it is called as isosceles triangle. If all the three sides are unequal, then it says about the scaling triangle. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು acute angle triangle, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು right angle triangle, the other one is obtuse angle triangle. So hence triangles are broadly classified into two, as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scaling triangle, based on the sides, and based on the angle, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, that means there are 6 triangles. Among that, this is most important for us. Even for this chapter, even for the straight lines. If this is for straight lines, even these two are required. So remember, triangles are broadly classified into two category. Erade category. Sides mele more triangles bartave, angles mele more sides bartave, more triangles bartave. Ottu all triangles. Okay. Apart from this, we have one more triangle called equiangular triangle. So rest, we'll speak tomorrow. Thank you.